Right, here's the easiest card trick I know that will confuse everyone you show it to. Here we go. We get a card selected at random. This one here will do. We'll show it there for you. And I'll give it a couple cuts. Just like so. So it's nice and mixed somewhere in there. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to try and find it. It's the most basic trick. Well, it's the most basic premise of the trick. Lose a card and find it. So I'm sure, as a professional magician, I will know this. Oh, don't know about that. Yeah, this one. This one is. I know which one it is. It's absolutely this card here. Bam! 9 of clubs. That's yours, right? No? That wasn't your card. Oh, how am I going to do this then? What was your card? 8 of spades. 8 of spades. 8 of spades. How am I going to do? How about we try this? E, I, G, H, T, O, F, S, P, A, B, E, S. We have here 8 of spades. Let's go teach you that in tutorial view. So grab a deck of cards. Here's how you're going to perform the trick. Now there's 2 ways. One way is an easier way, and the other way is a bit more difficult. Now I'm going to just zoom out so you can see the full deck. Now for this first one, the easier way, you're just going to remember the bottom card. In this instance, the Ace of Diamonds. Now when they take a card like this, take a card, say the Queen of Hearts, they put it on top, they're going to cut it, and because they cut it, your card that you've remembered, the bottom card, is going to go on top of their card, okay? Now no matter how many cuts they give it, your card will always be on top of their card. So if we find the Ace of Diamonds, it will always be on top of the Queen of Hearts. Now you won't notice the Queen of Hearts, of course, but you'll just go to that card and go one down. Now to get the reveal, what you're going to do is from the Queen of Hearts, you're going to go Q, U, E, E, N, O, F, H, E, A, R, T, S. You're then going to do one more card, just for good luck. Now there is a reason for the one more card. And you're going to put the rest of the cards to the bottom. You're obviously going to do that without the spectator seeing. Now if you say, right, I think I've got your card, it's now on top, blah, 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 is that your card? They're obviously going to go no because, well, it isn't their card, is it? You're going to be like, oh no, you're going to pretend that you got it wrong. Just be sad, just pretend you got it wrong. Just ask them what their card was. Hopefully they won't lie to you, and then they'll say Queen of Hearts, for example, for this one. So you'll then ask them, possibly put them in their hand, or you do it. So you ask them to put their hand out, and you will spell out Q, U, E, E, N, O, F, H, E, A, R, T, S, and the last one, the Queen of Hearts. That's one way of doing it. The second way is just in the selection and finding. Now, the second way is almost as easy. It's only slightly harder, and it's only slightly harder in the fact you have to dribble. If you can do a dribble, which is this, then you can do this perfectly fine. What you have to do is you have to dribble the cards, and then when they say stop, you just need to look at that card. Their card will be this one, you offer that, so Queen of Diamonds here, so the one you need to remember is 4 of clubs. There, they can give it as many cuts as they want, if they want to cut it. You then go through, find the 4 of clubs, wherever it is, assuming it's in the deck, hopefully. 4 of clubs, 1 below, Queen of Diamonds. Exactly the same for the rest of it, the spelling out. And that's all it is. Nice, simple trick, and I hope you all enjoy. Remember to leave a like and possibly subscribe if you enjoyed. Have a lovely day.